Exercise 8.4, question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. First, sin A. Cosec A is related to sin A as well as cot A directly. So first of all, express sin A into cosec A. Sin A can be expressed as 1 by cosec A. And we know that cosec A equals to square root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Next one is sec A. Sec A equal to square root of 1 plus tan square A. Tan is related to cot A as tan A equals to 1 by cot A. So tan square A equal to 1 by cot A whole square. Further, it can be written as 1 plus 1 by cot square A or square root cot square A plus 1, this equal to cot square A plus 1 by square root of cot square A is cot A. Okay, and next one is tan A. Tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Question number 2. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So we have to write sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A and cosec A in terms of sec A. Question number 2. First, sin A. Sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A can be written as 1 by sec square A, and this equal to sec square A and sec square A minus 1, that is sec square A minus 1 over sec A. Second one, cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Next, tan A equal to square root of sec square A minus 1. Cot A equal to 1 by tan A or 1 by sec square A minus 1. Next one is sec A itself plus cosec A equal to square root of 1 plus cot square A or 1 plus 1 by tan square A. 1 plus 1 by tan square A equal to sec square A minus 1. Sec square A minus 1. This equal to sec square A minus 1 plus 1 by sec square a minus 1. 1 cancel. Square root sec square a by square root sec square a minus 1. This is equal to sec a by square root sec square a minus 1. That's it. Question number 3. Evaluate sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree over cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. यहाँ पर एंगल्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हैं, तो आइदर टर्म को हम चेंज कर देंगे. Either this one to cos or this one to cos. In numerator, sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 can be written as 90 degree minus 63 degree. Here, change this one. Cos square 17 degree equal to 90 degree minus 73 degree, and here cos square 73 degree. Sin square 63 degree, sin square 90 minus theta, cos theta. So here cos square 63 degree. Here cos square 90 minus theta equals to sin square theta, and this is cos square 73. This is of the form sin square theta plus cos square theta, whose value is 1. Similarly, its value is also 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So value of sin square 63 plus sin square 27 over cos square 17 plus cos square 73 degree is 1. Question number 2 or question number 3. Question number 2. Sin 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree. Here we will change this one into sin and this one into cos. Sin 25 degree into cos 65. 65 can be written as 90 minus 25. Here cos 25 degree sin 65 can be written as 90 degree minus 25 degree. Sin 25 cos 90 minus theta sin 25 degree. Cos 25 degree sin 90 minus theta cos 25 degree. Sin theta sin square 25 degree plus here cos square 25 degree. This is of the form sin square theta plus cos square theta, whose value is 1. So value of this one is 1. Question number 4. We have to choose the correct option. Question number 4. First question, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Take 9 as a common. We left with sec square a minus tan square a. Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. So value is 9. So correct option is B. Question number 2. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta over cos theta. Sec theta 1 by cos theta. Cot theta cos theta over sin theta. Cosec theta 1 by sin theta. This is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Sorry, sin cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now multiply numerator to numerator. Now if we let cos theta plus sin theta a and this as b, so these are of the form a plus b and a minus b is equal to a, that is cos theta plus sin theta whole square, minus b, that is 1 whole square, and cos into sin theta into cos theta. Now expand on the algebraic identity a plus b whole square. We have cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. 1 square 1 sin theta into cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 over sin theta into cos theta. Negative positive cancel out, or 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta cancel. It's 2. So correct option is C. Third of question number 4. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Change sec A into cos A. Sec A equal to 1 by cos A, and this change this into sin A into cos A. Sin and cos A. Sin A by cos A, tan A equal to 1 minus sin A. Cos A 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square by cos A. 1 minus sin square A, cos square A over cos A. Cos A cancel. Here cos A. So correct option is, and last one is 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. Change tan A and cot A in terms of sin A and cos A. Tan square equal to sin square A over cos square A. Cot A, cos square A by sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A Here sine square A plus cos square A. Cos square A plus sin square A 1 by cos square A sin square A plus cos square A 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 by sin square A. This is equal to 1 into sin square A 1 into cos square A sin A by cos A tan A. So sin square A by cos square A tan square A. So correct option is D.